Hey guys, welcome to this new video, and today I'm gonna talk on airing CPAP scam. So let's know more about it. You can just stay tuned and watch this video. And as you know that the problem of the sleep apnea is a disease which is common quite among the people in United States. So we are going to know about the airing CPAP and what is it all about. Also guys, do like, share and subscribe. Now guys, let's find out that what is airing CPAP. So basically guys, as you can see on the screen, it's a device that can help you get rid of OSA, and it helps that the body receives the right amount of the oxygen while you are sleeping. And you can use it and you can put the device overnight and thereby you can sleep comfortably. Now guys, if you have any question that what is OSA and what is CPAP, I would like to say that OSA is basically obstructive sleep apnea, and in this, the person face difficulty in breathing while sleeping, and hence this leads to snoring. And this problem is traditionally treated with CPAP, and it means that is continuous positive airway therapy, and it helps in making the enough intake of the oxygen at the night to the body, and it helps in relieving the snoring. Now, this product is available at fundairing.com and also at First Ever Micro CPAP. And as you can see, this is the product, and people actually use it and they find quite relief with it. So let's talk about the pros of airing CPAP. The website is dealing with the world's first ever micro CPAP, which is a good sign. And cons are that the contact details are missing from this website, and the CPAP device is not available and it's still under the process. So you might be wondering that whether this product is a legit one or not. So guys, I would like to say that the domain age of this website was registered on 2015, which is a good sign, and the trust score of this website is 85%. Also, the reviews on the Trustpilot is not fetched, so again this becomes little spectacle, and but the website is very much available on Facebook, and it has its posts as well as updates as there. So the content is quite original, and but it is right now not available in the market, which makes it a bit confusing. So I would like to say that the review of the website are very much old, and but we cannot find out any recent updates regarding it. So I would like to say, on the basis of all the legitimacy points, on the basis of the website domain age, where this product is available, and the trust score, I would like to say that it is a good product, but due to its unavailability of the product and the recent reviews are also absent, it becomes a bit confusing. So you need to wait for some time and see if the website is building up and the traffic is building up. So if you have any comments regarding this website, and if you have basically any comments regarding the product, do mention in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.